some people, this is just music. For others, this is a way of life. We wore our pride on our sneakers. If you never had the freshest sneakers in school, you couldn't be the freshest cat in the playground. Every day, somewhere in the world, a hustler is born. We paint our character and hope that the architects can see our vision. Some people say that I'm the luckiest man in the world, but I like to think I created my own luck. Or as my man Cito would say, lucky lefty. We baked the cake for the oven, but we ain't never paid no mind to what the ingredients were. We made cherry pie even when we never had the cherry. My life after childhood has two main stories. The story of the hustler and the story of the rapper. And the two overlap as much as they diverge. I was on the streets for more than half of my life from the time I was 13 years old. People sometimes say that now I'm so far away from that life, now that I got businesses and Grammys and magazine covers, that I have no right to rap about it. But how distant is the story of your own life ever gonna be? The feelings I had during that part of my life would burn into me like a brand. It was life during wartime. Chuck D famously called hip-hop the CNN of the ghetto, and he was right. But hip-hop would be as boring as the news if all MCs did was report. Rap was also entertainment.